What's up, fuckers? Welcome back to another video trade recap. Alright, today's day number 4. I haven't done these in a fucking week, so bear with me. We're on the SPX 500. This is what I always day trade every single day. Alright, quote of the day is you can't go higher until you go lower. Okay, and I'll prove that to you today. Obviously, today we took a massive fucking W. Alright, and I'll explain to you how I got this W. Okay. So let's first jump into daily time frame like we always fucking do. All right. Let's just examine this real quick. All right, let's get this fucking shit out of here. All right. So we've been bearish for the past 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, bearish as a motherfucker. All right, bear on fucking cocaine. Have you seen that movie, Cocaine Bear? All right, we're the cocaine bear, but we have more than cocaine. We have meth. We have everything. All right. We're bearish. Okay. And then we hit this monthly low. Then we hit this sell side. Okay. And then we go back up. The problem here is that we're bullish. My prediction is we're bullish for a few weeks and then we're going to go back to bearish, unfortunately. This is not looking like a big reversal at all. It could be. I could be wrong. But, we could also be going right back down after we hit this liquidity. Anyways, we are bullish on the day. Let me break it down to you guys on what happened today. Oh, motherfuckers. There we go. Today, just to keep you guys in check, red stick is the midnight open. This is the close, okay? We're going to be working in this area, just to let you guys know. All right, so midnight opens. All right, we create a low. This low is formed as sell side liquidity. Why is it liquidity? Because, as you guys know, obviously, I hope you guys know, we made a lower low. No, my bad. Why is it high layer too? What the fuck? We made a higher low right here. Then we made a lower low, and then we made a higher low. Oh, guess what? I think that's called sell side liquidity. No way. Oh my god. No way. You guys know what liquidity is? No way. Oh my god. That's sell side liquidity for today because today's the 21st. Okay, we're not the 20th. We're not the 19th. We're the 21st, okay? This is the low of the 21st. Then what do? We go all the way fucking up to this big-ass bearish fair value gap, right? It kind of wicks above, closes above, still wicking above. And this is 8 a.m., 8 a.m., or my bad, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., and now you have 9 a.m. You go down to 9:30, right? 9:30, market opens. Guess what we have? And I completely forgot to mark this until I realized we have buy side up here, bro. This is buy side liquidity right here because we formed a high and this candle, this wick, right? Guess what it is? It's a higher low, then it's a higher high, and then a higher low. Guess what that is? That's fucking liquidity right here. Just like this. This was a liquidity. We swept it. Boom. Came back. Created more liquidity. Guess what we did with that one? We fucking swept that bitch. Yeah, we did. We came down. All the way down. All the way fucking down here. Market structure shift. Confirming this move down. Boom. Close. Wick back up off this bullish fair value gap. Wick back down. Guess where we're going? Guess where we're going? We're going down to go up. That's what we're doing. All right? You can't go up without going down. We're targeting the sell side. Now, once I know the sell side has been hit, right, off the 5 minute, let's go 5 minutes. 5 minutes more sexy. Obviously, when you see this, I mean, this is like, what more do I gotta say? You know, like, look at this. Look at this close. It's on the same fucking, like, you can't get more perfect than that. Okay, it doesn't even go past. You know, it's an obvious reversal here. Now, can I take a trade off this? No, I can't just, put my shit here and just be like, all right, call it a day. Not exactly, right? I can't just be like, all right, let's do this. Wrong one. I can't just be this. I can't do that. That's too risky because I don't know this candle will, I don't know if it'll come back down here. So what I do is I wait for huge confirmation because this is a huge trade. We are targeting, just to let you guys know, this order block here. Oh, so it wants to be like this today. We are targeting this. Oh, this is not an order block. It's a, no, it is. Yeah, order block up here. I think it's a 4-hour order block if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 4-hour order block up here. That's what we're targeting, okay? After we're done that, we obviously have this bullish fair value gap that's here. But we can kind of delete that, right? Because we don't need that anymore. What we do need, though, is this bearish fair value gap that we have right here. Actually, that's not even a gap. I thought there was a fair value. Oh, did I mark? Oh, okay, never mind. I got confused. There is no fair value gap, okay? But I still took my entry off this bullish fair value gap because I really wanted this confirmation on this wick, right? I don't know why I was scared of this wick. It was because of this, right? There was an order block here, right here. At the top of this wick, there's an order block. So obviously what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter above this order block once I know this candle closes. So theoretically, I think I got like, I entered here, but you know, I have my shit here. So this is when I put the manual order. This is when it probably takes me in, right? Not too big of a deal. Stop loss, you know, on these highs. And the rest is fucking history, boys. I mean, come on. Again, to go higher, you need to go lower first. It's that simple. Well, it's not that simple, but it is pretty simple. All right. Again, targeting, obviously, we're targeting above this buy side. So even if you're targeting this already taken liquidity, you're already making a 6.4, 6.7 risk reward. That to itself is fucking huge. But I'm not targeting up here. I know that if this already got taken out, this wants to go higher. So where does it go higher? What's the next confluence? Obviously, order block. Now, you may be asking, but dude, price actually went up here. Why didn't you target up here? Well, you little fucking dumbass. If I did all the way up here, first of all, I wouldn't even get, you know, fucking filled up here. Okay. Yes, I could have done the OT of this. Oh, motherfucker. OT of this fair value gap, right? Targeted half. That's what it did. I got filled. Sure. But that's risky because you don't know that after a huge, obviously it's a bullish trend, obviously, right? But you don't know if it's really going to go there because this is a strong, like I'll remind you, this is a strong order block. Like this is off a huge trend that even created a huge fair value gap. Right? This order block is strong as fuck. So I'm not trying to be like, oh, we're definitely going to push into this bitch and sweep it all, you know? No. What I'm doing is targeting right here. So I know that it will hit this point. And if this is the point that it reverses, at least I'm out the market. Does that make sense? If this is the point right here, let me make it more clear for you guys. If this right here is the point that we're, right here. If this black line, whatever, right, is the point where the market is going to say, all right, let's reverse, which is exactly what it did, right? But let's say this wick was up here, I would have gone out about then, right? Because it would have filled my out, right? Because I was targeting up here. If I was targeting up here and the wick was here, you know, it would have came down. I wouldn't lost much, but then again, I wouldn't have been filled. So in this type of situation, I like to just target whatever is near to the biggest confluence and just call it days. I'm happy with this trade, bro. At 9.5 like risk to reward, you can't ask for anything better. You could, but that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so that's today's trade. Let's do a little recap of DXY real quick. These were my notes, daily notes, right? What I wanted to see was a full body closure under the order block, and we're targeting sell side liquidity down here, obviously. Keep in mind, all right, if DXY goes down, SPX goes up. If DXY goes down, SPX goes down, or goes up, goes down, right? Our weekly bias is bullish, but we do need DXY to go down for us to potentially take a trade. So this is what I saw today. We came up, right? We came up to grab all this liquidity up here, and this move up caused us to move down. Does that make sense? So when I saw that, I'm like, okay, well, the moment he sweeps this liquidity, I'm looking on SPX for buys. Guess what I saw? Sell side liquidity. I mean, how fucking stupid you gotta be, you know what I mean? And that's it. Like, that's all I did, you know? And I'll backtest this, but that's all I did. I could probably do more, but that's all I did. Then I am gonna predict. All right, mark my words. Next time you see me in these fucking videos, look at this video again, and I'll promise you, this is exactly what the market's gonna do. It hit this order block, almost filled it. Right, it probably hit a more in-depth order block in here at the top. Comes down, price hits this fair value gap bullish, because guess what? The only way to go up is to go down. The only way to go down is to go up. So if it wants to go up, because we're weekly bias is bullish and the market is showing a lot more bullish and bearish, then what does it need to do? Price needs to come down to this fair value gap. I don't care where it gets in. I don't care where it gets out. I want it to hit this fair value gap, right? Bounce up these equal highs, get above this order block, at least close above this, and target buy side liquidity, right? After it does that, it comes back down to go back up. Goes back down to what? It's fair value gap, bullish fair value gap that it will create. What does it do after that? It goes down to go back up. So we go back up. And this is where I'm like getting out of hand, but that's my prediction, okay? That's my trade. That's my channel. Fuck you. Have a good day.